Hi friends, now we are going to see how to make this beautiful flower. Let's get started. Here I am taking 1.5-inch ribbon. On this ribbon I am taking 6 pieces. Here each piece having length 3.5 inch or 9 centimeters. Now take the one piece of the ribbon, fold the ribbon with half of the width and give a hand press. Now open the fold. Similarly fold half of length of the ribbon with respect to lengthwise and give a hand press. Open the fold. Now pressing lines meets at one point. With that reference point, fold the ribbon diagonally as shown in the video. Again fold the ribbon. Now give a heat touch up and press it. Now take the open edges, form the pleats as shown in the video. Now give a heat touch up to the pleats and give hand press. Similarly form other petals like this. With the help of the glue, stick all the petals as shown in the video to make the beautiful flower. Now take the round base to support the petals in the proper position and apply glue on it as shown in the video. Stick that round base wrong side of the flower and gently press it. Now beautiful flower is ready. Thanks for watching.